YouTube, this is RandomMan981, and today I am here to show you how to make my custom Lego Thundergun. So the pieces you'll need are 4 small discs, 1 stud, 2 medium-sized discs, 2 black claws, 1 circular tube, 1 cone, and 1 pipe that has an edge to it. Okay, so to start off, you take your pipe and you take your medium disc and your small disc. You put the small disc inside the medium disc like that. Then you stick both discs down into the pipe like that, so the edge with the circle is sticking out. Then you take 2 of your small discs, put them on the top that you left sticking out, take your stud, put it on top of all them, and that's your front. So then you take one of your claws and you put it right next to the big disc, with the medium disc with the small disc in it. Then you take your tube, slide it in there like that. Then you take your medium disc and your small disc again, put them together, slide them in as the same as the one before, like that. Take your claw, put it in like this, like that. And then last, take your cone and put the smaller part on the very edge, like that. And that's how you make my custom Thundergun. And then this is what it looks like with the character, with the Lego minifigure. So that's my video on my Thundergun, but I'm going to show you also how to make a Lego Silenced Pistol. It's very easy. 2 pieces. A Lego Star Wars The Clone Wars pistol, and one of the connector pieces that has a weird edge. I don't know how to say it. But then you take the smaller edge and just stick it on the front of the barrel like that. And there's your silenced pistol. And then there it is. So that's my video on how to make a Lego Thundergun and a Lego Silenced Pistol. And don't forget, rate, comment, and subscribe. If you would like me to do other Lego guns, just leave a comment under any of my videos, and I will look at them and try to make them. Okay, have a nice day.